What's going on? Welcome back to the channel. So I'm in between builds right now, and I decided let's do a little stash update. I'll show you guys what I got. I got quite a bit, so hang tight and let's get started. So this was about a few months ago. I got this kit right after I did my last stash video. I got this one at my hobby shop, my local hobby shop, and we got this one, and this is a Chevelle, racer wedge type deal. This is actually a pretty cool kit. I've been seeing a lot of people do this kit, and I said, you know what, they had it, and I said, yeah, let's get it. So you can build it as a regular pickup truck and also the Phantom Wedge or the wedge thing. I'm sure you saw many people build that kit on YouTube, so I don't have to explain it too much, but that's a pretty cool one. Another one I got this one at a swap meet. This one, it was just to pick on someone in the community because someone hates this kit, the crew chief kit. I decided to pick it up because I want to see how bad it is. So let's see how it turns out. I'm not sure when we'll get to it, but it should be a good build, but we'll see how well it actually goes together because someone in this community actually just hates this kit, and well, let's see how really bad it is. But I figure I'll pick it up, just, why not try it out. This next one, I've been wanting this kit for a while. I went to a swap meet, or a model car show back last year, the Fulton show. I saw the original issue of this one, and the guy was asking about 60 or 80 bucks or something like that. I was like, nah, I'll pass. And it was kind of open, it was kind of water damage, but well, round 2 models, they have reissued it, and it is the El Camino. This is a 65 El Camino, I believe. It says it back here. 64, my bad. 64 El Camino with the camper. This is the coolest thing ever. And I saw the original issue. It's like a blue box art, and but the guy was asking like 80 or 90 bucks for it, and it was water damage. I was like, yeah, no, I'm good. But I'm glad I didn't buy it because they issued it, and this is even better, and this is just too cool. As soon as Mega Hobby got it in stock, I quickly ordered it, and I'm glad I did because they actually went out of stock immediately, which is insane. So I'm glad I jumped on that. Let's do some NASCAR. Got a few NASCAR kits. I got this one at Mike's Decals, the Yellow Mellow Pontiac. I've been wanting to do this kit for a while, this type of NASCAR, so this is pretty cool, and I went ahead and got the new decals for it, which is still mellow yellow, but for power slide, because this is an older kit. I'm not sure how old these decals are, if they're any good, so I'll be safe and sorry. So I went ahead and I got the mellow yellow decal sheet for power slide. If you saw my video from a couple weeks ago, or a week ago, or something like that, I bought this kit at my local hobby shop. I went ahead and it was a video of me walking around the hobby shop, my hobby shop at the model section, and I told you I was gonna buy this kit, and I did. I just absolutely love this Alex Bowmore livery, the paint, the purple and the pink to the white. It's just such a stunning livery, or livery, whatever you want to call it. It's just too cool. So I had to pick it up. It was just one of my favorite liveries from him. And then also I went ahead and picked up the Christopher Bell NASCAR, the Toyota Camry. This is actually a pretty cool livery. I actually like this kind of paint scheme from him, so pretty neat. I'm glad I got this. So pretty neat. We got a couple of NASCARs. So that's it for, actually no, again at Mike's Decals with the Yellow Mellow. I went ahead and they actually sell, just in case you don't want to buy an actual JR Models kit with decals, you want to use the aftermarket decal sheet. Mike's Decals, I'll leave a link to it into the description. They do sell the JR Models kits as a donor kit without the box and without the decals. So you get like 10 bucks, I think it's like $10 or $15 cheaper, and you just get the donor kit. It's a full kit, all the parts, everything, just without the decals and instructions. But I don't care about that because I got the instructions all over the place. So very cool. So I got 2 of these. These are the Ford Mustang body styles. So very cool. And I got another decal sheet for this coming in the mail. It's actually wicked cool. So I got 2 of these. So there's one. the other one's exactly the same, so I don't have to show you that. Then again, at Mike's Decals, I went ahead and I figured I'll pick up one of these modifieds, these NASCAR modifieds from JR Models. That people are crazy over these things. Since JR Models bought these out, people were just buying them like crazy. I didn't get a chance to buy one, so. But JR Models, they're bringing out a bunch of them now with different liveries. So I went ahead and bought this one with an aftermarket decal sheet. And with that, this is brand new. This is actually a new kit. And they have the auto chiller for it. And I believe this is what they use to haul these on. So very cool. So I got the chiller for it. It's just a chiller, and AMT has a similar thing with this similar chiller, but with a truck. But if you don't want the truck, you can obviously just get this kit, and it's just a chiller, and it's a little bit cheaper. So pretty cool. So we got that going. All right, next up with ollies. We got some ollies. I do have an always near me. I'll move my camera down, but I got a lot of ollies. So let's get started. First one, the Dodge Viper. This one they actually had there for a while, since they got a few months ago, like 4 months ago, they got the Revell or Monogram kits. So they had this one, but they still had it in stock. I was like, you know what, I'll pick it up because it's only 12, 13 bucks. I mean, you can't beat that. So we got the Dodge Viper. Then these next ones were new for this, a few weeks ago. We went ahead and pick up the Nova sedan, or wagon. It's actually a pretty simplified kit. 13 bucks is actually very reasonable because this kit is very simplified. I mean, you have an engine plug. It's a curbside, so but you can put in an engine if you want to because the hood is off. So pretty simplified kit, but I did see some people on Facebook doing some crazy things with this kit. Putting on some nice wheels, getting a nice paint job. So I figured, you know what, it's only 13 bucks. That's how much it's actually worth. AMT, they're pricing it for 30 bucks. That's not worth it. So that was totally worth it. They also had the 70 Chevelle Corvette ZR1 Coupe. This is actually a pretty cool car. I bought this one a while ago. The older, or no, I bought the Revell version, but this is the AMT one, and so very cool, nicely detailed kit. It's not a curbside. It has a full engine and chassis detail, and obviously interior. So pretty neat. So we got that one, and they had a lot of Coca-Cola ones. So here's the first one, the 40 Ford Coupe. Very cool one. This is actually a pretty nice kit. It actually has a lot of parts. One complete set of wheels and what's like drag wheels or something like that. But very cool, and it has a blower engine, whatever. So very cool, and you also have the decal sheet of Coca-Cola. I love Coca-Cola. It's my favorite drink. That's basically all we drink in our family is Coca-Cola. So we got that. We got another 41 Plymouth. This is actually a very cool one. Again, Coca-Cola. This one actually has Coke bottles. So, very cool. It has 4 of them in there. So, that's even better. And then this one has 2 coupe sets of wheels and tires. So, very cool. So, yeah, again, not bad for 13 bucks. You just can't pass those up. And all these, they had like dozens of each kit. And I could have picked up more than one, but, what's the point? I just don't need that many. So this next one is the Beetle. Again, it still is a Coca-Cola, and I believe it has Coca-Cola. Yeah, there we go. Hippie style Coca-Cola. That is too cool. These Beetles are, and it has that. That's pretty cool. I didn't see that. These little Beetles are just too cool. They're just, they're wild looking, and they're just unique looking. You do have tires there, and you got more tires that's molded in plastic or styrene. So, but very cool. Beetle, you can't go along with the Beetle. It's just too cool, and hippie style of Coca-Cola. that's just very cool. Then we got the Dodge Ram, 80 Dodge Ram pickup. I got this kit when it first came out for 30 bucks, but since it was $12.99, I might as well pick up another one. This is actually a very cool, you get that whole decal sheet. I mean, that decal sheet alone is like 10 bucks if you think about it. And then, you know, it has a small straight straightforward inline engine in there. It's just too cool. Inline 4, you want to call it. It's just a small little pickup. And then you do have the Coke bottles, again, 4 of them in there. So very cool. And then the last one, I've been wanting this kit for a while. The Ford. It's kind of like an El Camino, but you know, in the Ford version. It's just too cool. I've been wanting this kit for a while, and you know, they had it. Again, Coca-Cola. They didn't have too many of these, but I'm glad mine had one of these, or a few of these. So, and it comes with that, I guess, and then more Coke bottles. So these Coca-Cola kits are just too cool. And this one is partially curbside, because you get the back axle mode in, but the engine, it does have a full engine detail, but it's partially curbside, you want to call it. So very cool. So that's it for all these. Last two, we're down to the final two. We have some Supercars. So first off, we get a 1999 Lamborghini. This is from Mega Hobby. I bought this with that El Camino kit. I figured why not. I've been wanting this kit for a while. So very cool. It's a Fujimi kit. Good old Fujimi right there. So yeah, an Lamborghini. Very cool. So we got that one. And then the last one, the last kit. This is the all new Tamiya kit. The Tamiya T.50. You know, this is just a crazy supercar. It's a 3-seater. The driver is the center car, or the center seat, I should say, which is that orange seat, and you have 2 passengers that can sit, you know, next to you. This car is insane, and Tamiya this is one of Tamiya's super detailed kits. Tamiya releases one of these kits each year. It's like super highly detailed with the engine, all that fun stuff, once a year. So this is their pick for 2023. It's just insane. You can see the center seat is the driver's seat, and then you have 2 passengers. Full-blown engine and suspension detail. It's just crazy. You got a bunch of windows. I mean, the whole top, it looks like a spaceship, kind of. Then you do have folded edge in here. There it is. Folded edge for the back end. That kind of looks like a big jet engine. And then you have your butterfly, you know, engine doors right there, and then there's your engine detail right there. This kit is just insane, so I could not pass this up. And this kit, regular back in the day when Tamiya released a super detailed kit, they were like $80, 75, $80. But you know, Tamiya, they actually lowered the prices on these kits significantly. So I got this kit for only $50. That's not bad. That's actually a steal for a kit with this amount of detail, and just amazing amount of detail, like I said. And again, it's a Tamiya. It's gonna go together again enough. And so, and we got the brake detail. It's just too cool. But there we go. That's it. I just want to show you what I got. There's quite a bit. So I figured, since I'm between bills right now, I figured I'll show you all what I got. But other than that, guys, that's it for this video. My next video should be my next project. We'll see. But other than that, guys, until my next video, I'll catch you all next time. Take it easy.